medium-sized onion, 2-3 chilies, inch of ginger. To the oil in a pan, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Now add Urad dhal, Chana dal, the chopped ginger, chilies and curry leaf. Now in goes the onion. Cook for a while. Turmeric and salt. Now the besan slurry goes in. For the besan slurry, 1 teaspoon of besan and add half cup of water. Give it a thorough mix and then add 1 full cup of water. In goes the boiled mashed potato. Now give it a gentle mix and let it cook for a few minutes. Finally comes in the chopped coriander, and now you're done and it's ready to eat. Here comes the Bombay chutney or Puri masala, complemented with Puri for breakfast.